Long-distance relationships are difficult to maintain. It's not necessary to sugarcoat it. Being thousands of miles apart puts a strain on the relationship because it necessitates a great deal of trust and commitment. It can be exasperating to maintain the connection you once had when you were standing right next to each other. Here are some ways to have romance in long-distance relationships, and we are starting right now. We are giving away free best-selling books and courses. Link in the description. But wait, watch this video till the end first. Number 1. Send text messages wishing good morning. Always text each other good morning and good night, even it may sound sappy. When you wake up and when you go to sleep, it's nice to let your partner know you're thinking about them. If you're feeling particularly ambitious, ask a few thoughtful questions like how was your sleep, or what are you up to today? Number 2. Capture moments in real time. No need to hold off on sharing the photo of the sun coming up on your morning run, or the view of your partner's favorite coffee shop covered in snow. Send it to him or her as soon as it's on your phone. Your significant other is an important person in your life, and including them in your daily routine is how you'll keep it that way. Many long-distance couples worry about not being able to see each other. But your attempt to share snippets of your lives through photos will support the idea that you don't have to be physically together to be close. Number 3. Make date nights a priority. You won't be able to sit in the same room, but you might be able to watch the same television show. Curling up on the couch with your phone beside you, texting your boyfriend comments on the show you were watching was one of the most enjoyable aspects of long-distance dating. Regardless if it's reading articles based on zodiac signs or watching documentaries on creatures of the ocean floor. The simple knowledge of sharing the same things will help ease the difficulty of not being in the same place. Number 4. Make a date plan ahead of time. You can't plan for everything in life, but you can plan for the majority of it. Avoid the painful cycle of being too busy to visit this weekend, or too tired to explain what happened at work over the phone by planning dates ahead of time. Prioritizing your schedule so that you can truly be present when the date arrives. At the end of the day, people make time for what is important to them. Number 5. Video chat with one another. This can be an enjoyable activity. You can use various methods such as Skype, but make sure you have a good internet connection. Seeing your partner in person can really help, so try to find a time when you can. All the best with your LDR. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.